Mostly I was writing books, and I'm writing books, and then I'm getting so many ideas, and who can I ask? Who can I ask questions to? The type of questions I have that came up in my life, I couldn't find anyone, an immediate sangha, to solve my questions. And I was limited. You know Bengali, Hindi, so many languages. There's a wide field for all of you to access. But I was restricted to English, so I would go to meet someone. I say, I have these questions. Do you know some sadhu I want to meet? Oh, you go to Gwalior Mandir in Govardhan. There's one Pandit there. He speaks very good English. Pandit Sri Krishna's Babaji. Acha. Okay, I go there. He says, right near Kusum Sarovar, Gwalior Mandir. I said, okay. So I went there one fine day in 1989. And I went in a temple or some Babaji's. I said, where is Pandit Sri Krishna's Babaji? Oh, he's upstairs above the Gopuram. There's some entrance to the temple. You go in and there's like entrance, and then go up some stairs. There's little rooms up there, little tiny rooms up there. So there's few rooms. He lived on the side. So I want to meet him. Yeah, you go. So and he was cooking some chapati sabji.
Maharaj is still there?
Huh?
Maharaj is still there?
He's in Golok. This year in January. He went, Magh Mahina. So I met him and asked questions. And so many times I went since that time, asked many, many questions. He never once disturbed my mind. He only answered my questions. He never said, why you don't wear white cloth, and why Gaudiya Vaishnavas should wear Shukla Vastra. It's in Hari Bhakti Vilas. I came to know all these things later when I studied. There's 4 or 5 verses, Hari Bhakti Vilas. Many, many verses he collects to explain a point. Vaishnavas do wear red cloth. The not Nimbarkis, but the Ramanuja followers, the sannyasis, they wear the red.
All 4 sampradaya, because their teaching is because of red only.
Yeah. That is okay. Only in the Gaudiya. That's why when he quotes verses from Puranas. You can read in Hari Bhakti Vilas, Sanskrit verses. He said, a Vaishnava should not wear red cloth. So what about Ramanuja? What about Sri Vaishnavas? The sannyasis, they wear red cloth. But there's some shlokas. So he collected these shlokas to put in Hari Bhakti Vilas because this is for Gaudiyas. So there's 4 or 5 verses, I have them in my notes, where he says that we should not wear the red cloth as Gaudiyas, and then nobody did, since 450 years. And then some new introduction. Okay, but this, whatever, this obvious. But this this point, although this my teacher, the sadhu, is a Babaji, he never mentioned. I learned 30 years later. So this is proper. Sadhu Sangha, he doesn't say, oh, you're good, you're bad. You have questions, you have ask questions. I very much appreciate. He never said, oh, parampara, this, that, nothing. Although he was in a traditional line, Advaita Parivar, he never disturbed my mind. 30 years. Never said, be my devotee. Oh, come on, be my devotee. Never. Said, oh, you're there? Okay, fine. This is sadhu.